Hi guys, I will give a good news and a proud moment of all Indians. That's also a good news of all railway lovers. That's good news is in India is produce a high power locomotives engine, and India become the sixth country of elite clubs joins elite clubs to produce the high power locomotives engines. And India is the first country that's run the trains and run the locomotives in broad gauge line. Locomotive is produced under Make in India project with collaborations of German Asthma company, and also that's locomotive is the most efficient and high powerful energy till now. By the way, I am Biswajit from S3 Creatives. I will give the all informations and all specifications about the loco, and that loco is inaugurated in 18th May 2020 from DeenDayalUpadhaya stations, and that is the most amazing moment of all Indians. The locomotive was 9,000 kilowatt and 12,000 horsepower engines, and that engine is produce regenerating the power and produce regenerating powers and feedback to the OHE. The tractive effect of the loco is 706 kilonewton. This loco is capable to run 6,000 tonnage in 150 gradient. The speed of the locomotive is 120 kilometers per hour. The locomotive is provide with both cab with air conditions and with provide with GPS trackers, and all advanced technology are added in this loco. That's why the loco is the most benefited to the Indian Railway. Mainly that loco is provide and run in the section of coal lines area. The locomotive is manufactured in Bihar, Madhepura, and in 11 years in 800 locomotive is produced, and every year 120 locomotives as produced in the factories. Please like and subscribe my channels, and don't forget to press the bell icons.